Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to book a flight in the Emirates application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the book button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, there are three flights you can choose from. So return, one way, or a multi-city. So just click on the one that you want, and then you have to select an origin country, which will be like Budapest, and then the destination. Here are all the destinations that you can choose. So like Dubai, you have to select your travel date, the departure, like second, confirm, and then of course the number of passengers. If you have children or like an infant who's traveling with you, you have to click on the plus sign next to the one to add the passengers. And then lastly, the class, so you can travel on economy, premium economy, business, and first class. So just choose the one that you want, click on the confirm button, and if you have everything, just click on the search button, and it will give you a recommended flight on the lowest price. So to that specific day, that's the only one. And then yes, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.